is we got to clip that lawn tractor, and basically what's going on when you turn the key, it's clicking. We're going to show you how we know that's the solenoid. So when I go to this side, the battery side, I'll have power there. Basically, when I turn the key, I should have power on coming into this post, which we don't. I'm going to put this old solenoid I got off a motorcycle here on it. I know this one works because I got my meter on continuity here, so it'd beep if the you could test that one the same way with the beeper. It wouldn't beep, of course.
With this one here, though, didn't the customer say they did?
You just put a new solenoid on it, but for whatever reason, you can see that it got hot. Melted the plastic right out of the nuts. You can see that post is actually melted. It's in there crooked.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not sure about that, but I'm guessing just probably cranking and cranking when it did that. I just got this going so that I could get at the solenoid, of course. These are just the green imagines your ground, and this one's your power. So when you hit your key, power comes down to the little wire, connects these two together. This wire simply goes between your battery and the solenoid. Another wire just goes between the solenoid and the starter.
What are you doing there? Just cleaning up the wires?
Yeah, well, yeah, I'm putting some connectors on there to this used to have a different plug on it than what the tractor takes.
See.
These on there, and that'll give us a plug right into the factory one on this tractor.
space in there.
No. So don't shake that off. popped a fuse. Something.
I heard that.
Yeah, there's no light. But of course it did melt the old solenoid, so there's that. I'm pretty sure the only fuse for these is right in there as well. So I guess it would mean there's probably a short on this, on the wire going to the starter, I guess. Cable's just, I don't know, maybe. Pretty sure it was a fuse.
How many fuses are in there?
Just the one, it doesn't seem to be popped. Fuse looks good, so it is. That ground's not the best, I guess. Make them awesome to work on.
What'd you say?
Make them awesome to work on.
Yeah.
Why would you put a fuse somewhere where you have to take the battery out to?
What are you doing? Just cleaning out where the keys go?
Yeah, just trying to get it back in there.
battery dead?
Yeah, so anyways, it's working good. I had a back connection on the ground. Once the battery's bolted in. We know what we're doing.
I'll believe him this time. But there definitely was an issue with that other solenoid.
Oh yeah, no, for sure. No, it's just clipped out because of the background. So.
Okay. Oh, I see what you're saying, how it's...
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I put power to this guy, you hear it click, 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 click. It sounds like it works, but there's no contact being made between them and the inside, right?
Okay. Calling this one fixed then, are we?
Yeah, we tried up the battery. Trying to start it up for him, so.
Awesome.